Hello all, thanks for tuning in. I hope you're doing okay amongst all the craziness of the coronavirus outbreak. I sincerely hope we can all stay strong throughout all this. I've been thinking about doing this video for a while now, even since I was putting videos on my other channel, Chainshaws, with a Z. I mean, I bought a video card after all. I feel it was an expensive investment, right? I was noticing after a few months, my card was sagging, which didn't cause any problems at the time, but I knew it was concerning going forth. With giant cards coming out, even bigger than my Aorus 1080 Ti Extreme Edition card, I felt it was time to release this. I have seen countless gaming computers, even other YouTubers that do not have their cards stabilized, get a bracket. Believe me, it's going to be a worthwhile investment for your system. Go online and search video card bracket. I personally have chosen from a website called MNPCTECH.com. I'll leave you a couple links to their 1000 series cards and their newer brackets for the RTX series. I got a carbon fiber edition. My opinion, they're very well made. For $50, it's money saved and saving investment. After all, the card cost me $850 when I purchased it, and is still quite valuable even after a few years. I think we should probably go to that site right now so I can show you what I'm talking about. They're actually quite nice. They have a little rubber knob that comes with it that you connect to the bracket itself. So the bracket is probably going to be a little bit longer than what your video card is, or maybe at the same length. You can actually put this screw this bracket on with a screw that comes with it, and the rubber actually sits right underneath your video card, and you can adjust the height on this rail here. My mouse is to where you want to put that on your video card, and with that you can adjust the level. My suggestion is to actually use a bubble level, a small bubble level if possible. Sometimes they have apps on your phone that you can use and they work just fine. Other than that, this is my opinion. This is what I got, and it was worthwhile. Shipping was just a few days. You might actually be a little bit surprised before you get started. If you actually check the bubble level before you get started, you might be surprised how unlevel your video card is. I mean, if you're watching this video right now, I mean, even if you don't think you don't need this bracket, just, you know, grab a level and see if your card is actually level. Here's that bracket underneath my video card. Excuse me for the quality of video. It's kind of dark inside my case. Trying to show you as best as I can. My card weighs about 4.5 pounds, maybe a little bit more. Some of the new RTX cards are about 5 pounds, and they're about an inch or two longer, and maybe a little bit wider, about an inch wider. That said, I'm hoping that the video helps your investment. Please like, comment, and subscribe. See you in your next time. Peace.